Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for being here. I am doing something a little bit different. I have never used this color palette before, but I am excited to try it out. I will explain it to you in just a second. I'm going to be doing a blowout with the blow dryer, and I think I'm going to try to do it in a little bit different design as well. So we'll see how it works out. Let's paint. All right, I am doing a lot of firsts here because I'm using a color palette I haven't used. I'm gonna try a different design, and instead of my regular blow dryer, I'm going to use the smaller blow dryer for some different petals. So let's see, but first, for the colors, I am using a Venetian rose, a red purple or red violet light. I'm using a magenta. This is the color, I wanted this to kind of be like flowers, like petals, but I am using a green to go with it. I have a gold, and then my base color, I don't know if you can see that right there, but it is Van Dyke brown that I mixed with magenta, and it made this like gorgeous maroon, like brownish maroon color. I'm so excited to see how this color dries. And then I have a little bit of white on the side, but that is it. And I think what I'm gonna do, so I've done my side design, my window to the world. So side design is just one side. Window to the world is where you do both sides. I think I'm gonna do just two wavy lines and maybe blow one down into here and one up into there. So it may kind of look like a window to the world when I'm done, but I don't know. We're gonna try it out. Okay, I'm gonna start with the base. Oh, look at that color. It is so pretty. It's like hints of maroon, but also chocolatey brown. I don't know. I'm excited. Never used this color, but I do think it will be pretty. All right, so let's see how the little blow dryer does to blow this out. I may have to switch to my big one, at least for the base, but we'll see. All right, I have my base down. I'm so glad I painted my sides because that Van Dyke brown is, it says on the bottle that it's like semi-transparent or semi-opaque, but it's definitely more on the semi-transparent to transparent side. So I am glad that I did that. Okay, now I need to think about how I want to layer this. So I think I'm gonna have my green on the bottom. And I think I'm just gonna do it kind of like that. So when I swoop through, it's gonna swoosh up. And I think I'll just do one right there as well. Just two little lines. Okay, now I think I'm gonna go this color next. Super pretty. I kind of want to leave a little bit of that base color through there, so I don't want to puddle like all the colors exactly on top of one another. Oh, this color combination. Is this going to work out? I think I'm going to blow this way and then, yeah, I don't know. Okay, I love this magenta color. I already used that one. So 1, 2, 3, and the green. So the next is just the gold. And now I'm kind of second guessing, like, do I use this white? Maybe just a little sprinkle to lighten things up. Little sprinkle. Maybe? Okay. I don't know. It's already going off the side over here. I've got a couple little drops of white in there. All right, I'm just gonna go for it. Let's see. Okay, what do we think? The green is a little bit bright. You know what? I feel like I kind of might have wanted like more of an olive green. That's what I'm thinking. The composition is very different, again, for me. Just covering in. No, I don't like that, both of those. Okay, I like that a little bit better. Dragging that on out. That Venetian rose is so pretty. And then do I drag this maybe down into there, like to connect it a little bit? Maybe up through there with a couple of drips. Ooh, I'm starting to really like this. And I kind of wanted this to look like it was twisting over itself. Coming up through there. Little wispies. What do we think first of the color combination? The composition I can always work on, but I don't know. Is the green too bright? Or is it just enough? I like the little twisties in there. I think it's pretty cool. I like that it twists into itself. I like the little pockets of negative space. I feel like overall I'm pretty happy with this. I may fiddle just a little bit more. But yeah, I think I'm happy. I'll show you. What do we think? First off, I really love the base. The green is a little bright. I think that muting the green might have been a little bit better. I did blow that area back out with that green, and I'm very glad that I did. It softened it a little bit. It was just like a big blob of green there. I love the red-violet light color. I don't know. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. All right, so I'll show you how this dries. All right, so here it is. The background color, love it. Super rich, dark. Love the pinks and the purples. It is just as I thought when I was making it. The green, I feel like, is too bright. Look at those beautiful cells down there. So what I might do is take an olive green and paint over those green parts and see if I like it any better. So Undecided. We will see. But overall, love the background color. The gold is absolutely beautiful. Love the different composition on this one too. So let's see. I'll see if I decide to do anything with this. If I do anything extra, I will try to show you. But super fun and just different. Definitely different for me. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Happy painting. Bye.